प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने चैनल हिंदी और ऋतुस विद्यार्थी। हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड मोस्ट वेलकम इन द ओन क्लास हिंदी और ऋतुस विद्यार्थी. So as we all know that nowadays we are doing translation and we are slowly learning that how to use some phrases. For example, yes, for example. उदाहरण के लिए today we are going to use the word for. In Hindi we use it के लिए, means for you, for me, for us. So here are some more examples to make you better understand. If you understand, then please comment below. If you're watching it for the first time, please subscribe, like and share with your friends so that you can also be benefited and your friends can also be benefited. So let's start today's class. So today I have got FOR. आज मैं आपके लिए FOR for लेकर for FOR. For means के लिए, तो यहाँ पे for example उदाहरण के लिए. Here are some examples for your help. For you, आपके लिए, आपके लिए. For me, मेरे लिए, मेरे लिए. For us, हमारे लिए, हमारे लिए. Right? Next is for tomorrow, आने वाले कल के लिए. Tomorrow is about with the day which is about to come. आने वाले कल के लिए, or simply we can say कल के. For Monday, सोमवार के लिए. For next week, अगले सप्ताह के लिए. For next year, अगले वर्ष के लिए, आगामी वर्ष के लिए या आने वाले वर्ष के लिए. फिर next is for the sake of God. For the sake of God. भगवान के लिए. Sometimes we are fed up and then we say भगवान के लिए प्लीज समझो. Then next is for your bright future. आपके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए. What you have to do for your bright future? Yes, you have to work hard. That's all. Hard work is the only key for the successful life. For your better tomorrow. आपके अच्छे कल के लिए. For your birthday. आपके जन्मदिन के लिए. For my friend. मेरे मित्र के लिए. For my mom. मेरी माँ के लिए. For your mom. आपकी माता जी के लिए. For your father. आपके पिताजी के लिए. तो हमने we have done in one of my video मेरी, मेरा, मेरे. आपकी, आपका, आपके. So please watch that. I will try to put it in the video and comment section. So what we have learned, we are learning the use of for. So that's all for today and I hope कि आप लोगों को यह वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. If you have understood well, so please like, share and subscribe. And yes, do comment below to let me know what I am missing. Bye bye. Have a blessed day.